What a morning.
And it's only 8:30.
And it's only 8:30.
We're going island hopping today.
And so it begins. Nine nights. Say nine nights, nine nights. Eating bananas. Kamusta ka po, Baba? Absolutely buzzing for this. Cannot wait. Say hello. Nice hat. This goes under your chin. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And your chin up. There we go.
We're going to Big Lagoon, so we transferred onto a canoe.
Oh, nice. Well, we're going to go and see the Big Lagoon. Sharks? Big
Yeah.
sharks.
As you can see, I'm doing lots of the work.
This is so relaxing.
How clear this water is. Look at what I've got on my feet. They're not even my ones, it makes it 10 times worse. Not that I have any, but hate these shoes, hate them. So are you paddling? Yeah, look.
Stop, no.
What, Baba?
Oh, baby one. No, stop, what you go.
Baby one there in front, look.
Look.
Yeah. Can you help that out?
Take this. Stick stays in.
That's it. Something can you help pull? That's it.
Oh, thanks, guys. Thank you, guys. You helping Dada? So there's a bit that you have to like walk through with your canoe before you get back on. That's what we're doing now. It is rocky, so make sure you have these ugly shoes.
Okay, right.
Good job.
Oh, so that's the bit that you can normally... So there's a tunnel over here that you could normally go through, but apparently the tide is too low at the minute to go through it. But got this whole space to canoe around. That is amazing, isn't it? No, is it beautiful? We're nearly at the end of the lagoon.
Yes, we are.
I'd like to say it's down to my paddling, but
Unbelievable.
this is
Look at that.
honestly.
Look at that rock. It's just a rock.
Look.
It's just a grey rock. And it looks incredible.
Wow, what's the temperature like?
Beautiful.
Yeah? Oh, hey! You got your leaves?
Go to read.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye.
Is it salty, bub?
Yeah.
Is this part of the sea?
Yes, baby.
This is tour A. It costs us 1,200 pesos each, 500 pesos for night, but then 200 pesos extra each for environmental tax. So we've got 5 stops on this. This was number 1. I think we're on the boat for 5 or 6 hours, but this doesn't include the kayak hire. That's I think it's 300 or 350 depending on whether you want a 2 or a 3-seater. And snorkels and the ugly water shoes aren't included either. They're 100 pesos each. He's actually pulling it by himself. This kid is so strong. He's legitimately Bam Bam in real life.